Alright. Look at this. It's 21 July now. Oops, sorry. It's 25 July now. 25 July. Almost done the schools. Alright. It's together right there at the Neat Hotel in Las Vegas. It's a vintage elevator here. There's the entrance right there. I'm going to close. Oops. Today's for schools. Some for long schools. Next one is the last course. When oops, close already. Next one, last course. And get the train rides. Alright, get close. This was crazy, guys. Alright, let's go to close now. Close any second. There we go. Alright, here we go. Let's go down first. Wee, this is awesome. Alright, here I won. Alright, so for here we go to 0. Wee, this is fast. Congratulations, 25 July, it's the first course. Alright, so for here we go. Wow, this was awesome. Let's the elevator right there. Look at this. Just the inside right there, next one right this. Oh yeah, I'm gonna make the sound because good here to change the phone because the phone is broke. Alright, you go to -1, wee, and the end video at the ground here first. Alright, here -1, and one more thing. I think there's some dumb way right there. This next one with the over here. Alright, let's get the end video at the ground now. Alright, like this. Alright, here we go. Wee. Alright, here ground. Alright.
姐，你现在上课？
Go to class.
你现在上课？不爱？你都。
Alright, sorry sa busy guys. Kaya po busy. I can't pass the video na. Sa busy, can't pass the video. Alright, go to class. And so for now, and so guys, already last course.